All right, hey guys. So now we're on lesson 25, and we're going to use basic facts or approximate decimal quotations. So this is all, my friends, about estimating and using basic facts. So the as I go back over and over again, basic facts, basic facts. All right. So I look at this first one and say 3 and 2400 divided by 82. So I'm going to look at this 82. I'm going to round this to 80. I'm going to think of this 8. Now, I look at 3 and 2400ths. Well, I know I'm not going to just like round this to 3 or 4 because that doesn't work. But I need to look at like this 32. And I know a multiple of 8 is 32. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 320 hundredths. Okay? So now, what I'm going to do now is round this, and I'm going to say, okay, so I'm estimating. So then I say, well, 320 hundredths divided by 80. Well, I can divide, so if I divide this by 10, I'm going to do this 10 and 8. So 320 divided by 10 is 32, right? And then divide that by 8, and you get 4. But it's not 4, it's 4 hundredths. So that is equal to 0.04, okay? Next one. This one I'm going to round to 60. This is 361 and 2/10. Well, I'm going to round this. Multiple of 6, that's around 36, is 360. So I'm just going to round this to 360. Okay? Now, I'm going to say, well, divide by 36, divide by 6 is 6, divide by 10, and that's 6. So a good estimate for this one is that is a horrible looking 6. There it is. Okay. Next one. I'm going to round this to 30. So now I'm looking at a multiple of 3, that's around 7.15. Now I'm going to round this to 6. Okay? Yeah, but Mr. Zayer. But it's not 6. Yeah, I'm going to round to 6. Okay? So now, even though technically we're round to 7, 7 and 3 do not get along. And I know some of us still didn't get that on the exam, but 7 and 3 do not get along. They don't connect. But 6 and 3 do, right? Because it's all about that connection. So I can break this down to 10 and 3. So 6 divided by 10 equals, now it's not 600, it's just 6 because we round to the nearest whole number. 6 divided by 10 is 6/10. Divided by 3 is 2/10. Okay? Let me double check that just to make sure. Okay, that was right. Just want to double check. Yeah. Okay, let's go number 3. Edward bikes the same route to and from school each day. So to and from school each day. After 28 days, he bikes a total of 389.2 miles. Estimate how many miles he bikes in one day. So what I need to do is, so 28 school days, he does this. So I got to do 389.2 divided by 28. I'm going to round this to 30. And basic fact, 3. What is a multiple of 38 that's what's a number that's a multiple of 3 around 38? Now, you could say 30, too far. 33, 36, getting warmer. 39, yes, bing bada boom. So I'm going to change this to 390. Don't worry about the 0.2 because I'm rounding this. I'm estimating. 39 divided by 3 is 13. Divide by 10, divide by 10. So he does about 13 miles per day. Okay, last one. If Edward continues his routine of biking to and from school, guys, exam, that was the question, and some of you missed it. It's a reading question, guys. About how many days altogether would it take him to reach a total distance of 500 miles? Okay, so hold on one sec. Okay, guys, so my goal is to get 500 miles. And if I can do 13 miles a day, so it's going to be the 500 divided by 13. Now we're estimating because it says about. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, so I got to think about some things. I know a lot of what you're going to do. I know a lot of you are like, oh, let's just round it to 10, and yeah, this will be 50, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, but we can do better than that. I know you can. We can get closer. So I'm going to give you two options. One, I could round this to 15. Okay? Now this if you could figure this one out, that's pretty impressive. That would be a multiple of 15 that's around 50 is 45. So 45 divided by 5 is 3 and 1 0. So it'll be about 30 miles. But we went from 500 to 450. We can do better. Okay? Now, we could round 500 divided by 13. We could round 13 to 12. But you're saying, Mr. Zay, it doesn't round. I know. But what are we using? We're using our basic facts. Okay? And a multiple of 12 that's around 50 is 48. Okay? Because 12 times 4. So I'm going to make this 48. 480. That divided by that is 4 plus that. So 40 miles. So I think this is the better option. So how many all did? About 40 miles. I'm sorry, 40, blah, 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 blah. This is days. Oh, Mr. Zaya. My bad. I hope someone called me out on that politely and respectfully. About 40 days. Okay, that's your answer. All right. Bye.